guys, the purpose of this video today is to try and answer a few questions that we've been getting on vibration commentaries on their four-wheel drives after they've been balanced. I'm going to show you on a rim what the problem is. So on this rim here, the steel rim here, you'll see the recess in here. So as the wheel nuts get pulled up tight, this flexes to help keep the wheel nuts always tight, a bit like a spring washer does on a normal nut and bolt. The problem is, this is how they're traditionally balanced. The centre cone goes up there on the balance machine, and it's working off this still being true. When the rim, as I said before, when the rim's new, it's not a problem. But after it's been done up once or twice, this can be fractionally out. Well, it's got a bit of damage on it, and as you can see, when it sits in there, it only needs to be 1/2 millimetre wrong here, and it's going to put it out quite a bit on the outside. I'm just going to try and show you how this works, how wheels get balanced. So I put that in here, I'll put this as a spacer. Then it's done up tight under here, working off the centre cone. So then we're balanced as we spin the wheel. And as you can see, when it's spun, it says it needs 20 grams, a small bit of weight on the inside, and it wants 90 grams of lead, a couple of these, on the outside. So most people who are balancing wheels look at that and think, okay, put the weight on, and it's right. But I'm going to show you where the problem is. So I'll take this off. And I'll set up the tools that we have here. What we use is what we call a finger plate. This works off the bolt holes, and the bolt holes, when they're all done up, are always correct. So it's spinning, it's working off how it's bolted to the vehicle. I'll show you. It goes in. It works off the bolt holes as though it's been bolted to the vehicle. So now we'll spin it again, and we'll see if we get anything different. As before, it said it needed 90 grams on the outside. So now it's, and we can see how different that is. So now it only needs 20 grams on the outside and 30 on the inside. The only way you can balance these wheels properly is by using this finger plate, especially when the rims are getting old. This is why you're having problems with your four-wheel drives always shaking on your big wheels, and it's particularly important on the big wheels because the amount of leverage, a little bit of movement here creates a lot of movement up here. So I hope that's helped you. So if you've got any problems at all with your vehicle shaking, make sure you're asking the question to your guys who are fitting them for you, are they using a finger plate?